I am excited today to be able to tell you about the latest update in ad2action. This one, I believe, it's, every now and then a software will tear down the walls and break down the barriers and just deliver something that's unique and incredible. And this update is just that. It is something that is probably one of the most exciting features of ad2action. And it's one that we've been working on, and we have tried to keep this as closed and and tight as we can in terms of letting it out. But it is time to release this, and it is such a cool feature, and I think you will just love this. So let me get started and walk you through it. When you go through and create your landing page campaign, you're going to walk through the process of creating your offer. And again, I'm going to do lead gen on this one. So everything is pretty much the same through each one of these steps. The only difference is when you land on select design, you have two options now. You have an option to select from thousands of pre-built campaigns, and this is what you've been used to on ad2action in terms of selecting the design that's already pre-developed and put together. And or you can do the new option, which is creating your own custom layout using your personal images and so forth with ad2action. So what happens in this case is it launches a system that allows you to create your own landing page and design it the way that you want it designed. And it's pretty neat how it works. What we have is it takes you into a custom category, and it shows you different different designs that will make up the inner part of your website or your landing page, and then you can upload your images that will wrap that to create the finished product. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. I'll select this 804 here, and you'll see that we've got kind of a bluish pattern going here, and I browse on my computer. And I'm going to just jump right into my backgrounds here. And I'm going to grab real fast a background, and I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions. This is important because our terms and conditions really they mention that you need to make sure you have proper licensing on images, that you're following our ad2action terms and conditions in relationship to what material you're uploading and so forth. But take a minute and read that, and then click the upload button. And what this is going to do is it's uploading basically the background image that this template's going to that will be shown on this template from this point forward. And what you're going to have as a finished product is, let me go ahead and hit preview. Is it launches that background image. So I took a picture of Shrek here, which I just used as a sample image just to show you an example, and it wraps in everything around that template, so you get a very personal template. And I'll show you how quickly you can modify the look and feel of this design. If I jumped in here and I grabbed a different set of the inlay stuff here. Let me go down here. I'm going to grab this one here, and I'm going to browse. And this time I'm going to grab the picture of some money. Maybe I want to do a financial landing page. I click upload. And you see how easy this is? You really just want to find a really high-end graphic that can be in the background. And then let me launch it out here and show you the finished product. You can really make your pages look customized and really have a neat feel to them that quick and that easy. We do have some recommendations for the sizes. In this example, it's 1950 by 930. Now what that means is it's going to be 1950 pixels wide by 930 pixels in height. And your biggest challenge with using this feature is really going to be resizing your images to as close to that size as possible. What our system will do will be, our system will automatically resize it for you, but if you can get your picture closest to those dimensions as possible, you're going to have less pixelation or pictures being stretched from our system. So I would say open up a typical art program. Every Microsoft Word program comes with one. It's called Paint. You can open up your pictures in it, and you can resize them to that specific size or as close to it as possible and upload it. Let's do one more. I'm going to go ahead and grab, how about and I'll show you just how different you can make some of these templates look and feel. Let's say maybe you're pushing something out, and let's do that one there, and we'll grab, let's go ahead and do one. This one that I'm going to do now is, let's say I'm selling something that may or I want to promote something that has to do with space, and I want to really create a template that has that nice feel of dealing with space. So there you go. You have the planets, you have the stars and everything. And if I don't like, let's say I don't like the inside part of this, the dark grays, and I want to change that, I simply leave my image in there and I run up here. And on the launched version, you'll actually see your image in this area. I'm on a test server now. But let's say we want to switch this out to a blue. Let's go back to our original blue. I just hit save again, and what it's going to do, it's going to leave my original image that I uploaded in there, and it's going to republish out the new inside portion of that, and look how much better that looks with the blue. So you can play around with that and mix and match and design and put together your own templates. And then when you go ahead and edit it, you can still add your videos. You can put in a custom header. You can insert graphics and pictures and really make them custom. But this really, what this does for your landing pages, and by using ad2action, is it really opens up it tears down any walls and opens up any possibility when it comes to design. You can really get creative. Let's do one more template here, and let me go ahead and pick, let's grab, I really, for those of you guys that it's hot, it's summertime, and you want to take a vacation to the beach, let's go ahead and grab an ocean one. And I'll just jump inside here and once again find a nice blue. I'll browse, I'll grab my ocean picture, and I will upload it. And if you had a travel agency or you were wanting to promote some type of maybe you're having a conference on a certain island, or even you want to upload a picture of your conference center where you're going to be doing it. Look at that. So now I've got my ocean scene, my palm trees, and see how nice that looks. So you can really take ad2action now, customize it completely to whatever extent you want to, and really have no limitations. It's just an incredible product, and I am excited to tell you about this today. If you have not done so after watching this, I take a few minutes, play around with it, and then go tell everybody you know about this product and how wonderful it is. All these, and I always mention this on my update videos, but all of these features that you're seeing here, we put these in the system for you guys to be able to have better tools to go out there, to build your businesses, to share your messages. And these tools that we put in the system, they're based upon feedback that you suggest to ad2action. And so I want you guys to know that we're listening and we're making modifications and really taking this product to the next level. And I just want to thank you guys for your input, especially on this project. And we have some neat stuff to come that we'll be releasing a little bit later, but just always we have neat things on the horizon that are about to come out. And this is one of those that we've been working on. And when you see what's coming up next, you're just going to love it. It's going to make it that much easier. And we even have, and I'll kind of give you a little bit of a I'll let you in on one little thing that you can look forward to. We have an incredible iPhone module phone application that will be released very shortly on ad2action that will make sharing your campaign and advertising it and taking it into the mobile world just to the next level. And I'll be telling you a little bit more about that down the road, but that is in development as well, and we'll be sharing with you a little bit more about how that works. But for now, have fun, play around with the system. I think we should do a competition and see who can create the best looking designs using this system and publish those out for the other users to see. If that's something you're interested in, connect with me in the community. My name's Aaron Warner. Feel free to link up with me in the ad2action community. Let me know your feedback, and if you're interested in maybe doing a competition, maybe we can send somebody to Hawaii for the best looking design. So anyhow, thank you for all your feedback. Appreciate it, and we will visit with you guys later.